Today, we're going to talk about easy money. That is what my degenerate friends like to say when they walk into a casino. They say, easy money, we're taking the house for all they got. A couple hours later, sometimes the next day, they leave drunk and broke, but they had a good time. That's not what we're going to do today. This is crypto for the rest of us, 6 days a week. And then every day I've been doing a separate episode just on ICP and HBAR. But today I want to talk about what I believe, or I should say, is easy money with respect to crypto. And it follows on yesterday's episode. My disclaimer is, big dumb animal, don't do what I do. So yesterday's episode, I went through and said, look, based on the fact that it looks like we're going to be in a bull run, and a lot of the coins, if not most altcoins, are lower, and many of them back to their pre-run-up highs, back in the March timeframe, even back to December timeframe. So yesterday we looked at a group of coins that ended up being 12 that were in, I thought, good industries like AI and DeFi, and also they've been beaten down to their pre-run-up prices back in March and April, and I thought these were good coins within those industries. So they met that three criteria. It's in a good industry, it's one of, I believe, the better coins in that industry, and it's gone back down to the prices before the recent run-up. And the hypothesis was, well, what if the bull run doesn't completely take off and all we do is match the March and April prices? If that's the case, then let's consider those 12 coins safe bets. Okay. And I know everyone liked that video because I read the comments. I do appreciate the comments you write, talking about me looking like Tom Selleck, and you thought the video was brilliant, pure artistry, and the one about wanting to name your first child after me. Look, I appreciate it. So that video was obviously well taken. None of that's true. And today I want to talk about selling, because I've talked about this before, and I'm going to call this safe selling. So we're following up on yesterday's video. Here's, if you want to be really conservative as you can be in this crypto market that is incredibly volatile, here's what I would recommend. And remember, this is the incredibly conservative approach of taking those coins that met that criteria. Now, how would we sell them if we also want to be very conservative, but at the same time, try to take advantage of some run-ups? So here's what I did. Here are the 12 coins, render all the way down to Ethereum. And I just made the suggestion, here's the invest. This column is how much we would invest. These numbers can be anything. And I've got two sell levels. Let me explain. So, real simple, invest $1,000 in each. Total invested is $12,000. First sell level. In order to be very conservative, I said, what if you sold all of these coins? You sold half of them at a 2x level. So all they have to do is double, and you dump half the coins. Why? Well, as you can see, if you dump half the coins after they go up by 2x, you're getting your capital back, your investment back. So after 2x, you're back to $12,000. You take that money, you put it in your bank account. Now you're playing with free money. You won't lose anything. If all of the rest of the crypto you have goes to zero after that point, you'll be okay. You invested 12, you got 12 back. I don't see how you could be more conservative than that. At the same time, you're leaving half of the chips on the table, so to speak, as my degenerate friends would say. Of course, I just go and watch. I'm not participating. So we said, okay, well, what if in sell level 2, we're not looking for these crazy 50x and everything. We just want it to hit the March and April high. That it just happened. So most people think it's going to go way higher than that. I do. But again, to be very conservative, what if it just hit that high? So these were the how far the price had to come from August 28th to hit the March-April high. Render, well, 2x was hitting its high. Fetch, it would have been a 3x. Aether would have been a 2x. If you go down here, the highest was Wormhole, would have been an 8x. Okay. So what if the rest of the chips we left on the table, we sold just at the March and April highs? I represent them here in cell level 2 as a percent. Here's how much you would get. Of course, if, for example, render only went up 2x, so it was just another $1,000. As you go down here, you can see the biggest gainer was 8x, so the half that you save would be 4. Okay. You'd make $19,250. Now, essentially, that's just pure profit. So here in cell level 1, you're going to get your $12,000 back. All you do is sell everything at a 2x. Here, everything hits the high, and you're looking at a nice profit. Total back, including what you invested, is $31,250. Not bad. And in my opinion, this is incredibly conservative. That's all I wanted to point out today, was take those conservative, I think, picks in good industries that are pre-March and April prices, sell them at the March and April highs, half of them, and the other half just sell at 2x to get your capital back. If you want to make, I believe, some pretty safe money, that's a way to do it. And that is a nice return on your investment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Let's make generational wealth together with crypto. I hope you like these videos. Please do subscribe. I do them 6 days a week, trying to help everyone out, including myself, because the more I do these, the more I learn. There's a Discord down below that I just started. I want to get like-minded people that like to dig in. And I do appreciate all your comments because I try to respond to all of them. And also, people bring up some good points and I go digging. And I know later today when I do an HBAR ICP video, I'm going to reference some of those comments as well. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.